Thanks for joining us for this Evinced training video. In this video, we're going to show you the most basic flow with the Evinced browser extension. You will learn how to analyze a single web page or multiple web pages that comprise an end-to-end user flow, and then inspect the results and generate a report. We are going to assume that you have already downloaded and installed the Evinced extension, and that you have created an account. Okay, so let's get started. Let's say you need to analyze this travel web application. You see the Evinced extension in the Chrome Extensions panel of the browser window. Just click on it and sign in. Now you will see the Evinced on-screen controller. The main thing this allows you to do is control the Evinced engines and to perform the analysis. So what do? Just click on the play icon, and Evinced will automatically detect the accessibility issues on this page. You can see that it detected some issues on the page already. You can click on the Highlight Issues toggle to see where those issues are on the page. And you will notice that if you hover over the issue, Evinced will give you a short summary of the type of issue on that element. We recommend keeping the highlights off because if there are too many issues on the page, the highlighting creates noise and may impact performance. Now let's dive in a bit deeper. If you go back to the controller and expand the dropdown, you will see a list of issues summarized there. The list is grouped based on elements on the page. For example, each dropdown here has two issues, Interactable Role and Keyboard Accessible. If you want to locate an element on the page, you can click on the eye icon. Now let's drill into these issues. Click on the right arrow-like thing, and you will see that this component has two issues. You can scroll between them. In this case, the first issue is an interactable role issue, which means that a screen reader will not know that it is interactable. You can see the selector on top and the DOM snippet below. As you can see, the dropdown is implemented as a div without a supporting ARIA role. Now scroll to the next issue. In this case, this is a keyboard accessible issue, and you can see all the same details. This is the most basic set of operations of the Evinced engines. Now, an important concept to know is that Evinced is always running in the background as long as the play icon has been pressed. As you interact with the page, Evinced sees more of the DOM changes and mutations and performs additional analyses. As you click on the dropdowns and select certain fields, the count of the issues goes up. This is because when we interact with the page, additional DOM elements are added or become visible. Evinced then analyzes these changes and adds additional accessibility issues detected to the main report. Great! Now let's continue with our flow and actually perform the search. This takes us to the next page. You see that Evinced is there and automatically analyzes the new page. Here on this page, it's found some more issues. At this point, you may wonder, what happened to the issues in the previous page? Don't worry, they're all available in the Report tab. All right, the Report tab is a new tab that has been opened by Evinced. Here you can see all the issues that Evinced has detected across all the pages that you visited in this session. This might be a good time to introduce the concept of a session. At a high level, a session is a container for you to group together issues found across multiple pages. It's a tool you can use in order to model a user flow or a specific version. We will talk more about sessions in the advanced video. For now, let's get back to the Report tab. As we showed before, this has all the issues that Evinced found in this session. You can select any of them and drill into the details. Here you will see the type of issue, the URL, the details around why this is happening, what the effect is, the specific WCAG violation, the relevant selector, and the DOM snippet. In another video, we will show you how to extract this report in the form of a CSV or even open a JIRA ticket specific to the issue. In our next video, we're going to talk about the types of issues that Evinst detects automatically. Thank you for watching. For more information and examples, visit us on our website, knowledge base, Medium blog, and CodePen profile.